Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are right here at Ngong Road, the new bridge ya Ngong Road Naivasha. Pale nimeandikwa aje? So this is the new Ngong Road Naivasha highway flyover. Yes, the new Ngong Road Naivasha flyover right here. So guys, welcome to a new video. Let's see how development is happening here in Nairobi Ngong Road. Unaona? So napita huku kwa hizi mamawe. See, we have the cars. Na hii inawaka cheza nikanyaga. Big flyover here. This is where it is starting on this side. As you can see, guys, and it's so big. I want to walk up to the other side and I want to show you, I want to walk with you. Yeah, it's so big and beautiful. Yo. And guys, I really don't know, but I feel like Nairobi has really developed. The last time I was here, the roads were not that like modern and big. Like, I mean, Kenya is really developing and Nairobi is really developing. And as you can see, the roads, I can't wait to show you all the roads that have been constructed here and how they are developing. Wanaona kamera huyo boy anajificha. Guys, hebu niambieni mbona leo nimeshinda nikiona Mercedes Benz. Sorry. Today I've seen like so many Mercedes Benz. Or you want to tell me like Nairobi has so many Mercedes Benz like compared to Mombasa? Mombasa zilikuwa 1-1. Today I've seen like over 20 Mercedes Benz. Wow, oh my God is trying to communicate something to me. Anyway, guys, so this is where the flyover has started. Mnaona kule mbele, they have closed, I think, a fence because they maybe mtu anaweza ingia huko vitu zimeangukia. Yeah. Kenya is developing. Yani Kenya is becoming, living the third world. We are soon to be first world countries like US. Hebu muone hizo barabara jameni. Tell me why we are not supposed to become first world country now. Because what? Look at this. Yo. I want to go there nione venye kunakaa huko ndani. Nataka kuvuka hii barabara. Let me vuka niende niingilie hapa penye pamefunguliwa nionyeshe huko ndani venye kunakaa. But the cars are so many compared to Mombasa. Yo, there are so many cars. How do I cross here? Anyway, let's wait and see. So this is how the inside looks like. Hizi chuma ni kubwa. Yo. So this is the flyover. I think you're not supposed to get in here because vitu zikianza kuangukia hapa ukipita will be there for you. Yeah. So this is how it looks from outside. The Naivasha Ngong Road flyover. And it's so modern. I've never seen a flyover that looks like this. I don't know, guys. The flyover that I see zinakuanga zinakaa like different. Yeah, unaona? Watu wako hapa ndani. So I don't want to film people without their consent. Okay? Yeah. Yes, guys. Now we are over it. No. I've never seen flyovers zenye zimetengenezwa hivi, you guys. This is my first time. Like, I see the ones that are on Thika Road, but these ones, no, I've never seen like these ones. Hey, na nataka kuvuka huko, nitavuka aje? Let me cross here first. Then cross here. So this is how it looks from this other side. Sasa nikitaka kwenda town nakwenda gari wapi? Hapa tu. Oh, sawa, thanks. So guys, I want to go to town, so that's why I was asking, but let me finish showing you. Wow, it looks very good. Sana ni refu kwanzia huko. It's like now we are halfway. And people are selling things on the road. Then you have cafe over here. Blonde. Nairobi. And it's very clean. Like what? Ama hii side ya Nairobi ndio iko clean. This side is so clean. I want to go to the other side, at to where this flyover imeishia, so that you can see how far they have constructed from the other side. Wow. So this is how it looks on this other side. It's not that long actually. I'm gonna find out how long this bridge or this flyover is, but it's not that far. Mnaona? Wow. Hey, watu wanapigania customer hapa. Nami naona iko Mercedes. Oh. I have to hold my phone very keenly. So guys, this is where the flyover ends. On this other side, I think pale mwisho, but now kwenda juu ni hapa. Wow. So guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you loved it. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video, guys.